about to do something with my face. First thing I'm gonna do is brows. Just because my brows are the most fun thing to do. Anastasia Dip Brow Chocolate. I actually saw Jayla, her name is Jayla. She did this brow laminating video where she put spritz on her brows. And sis, I want to try it. Thank you for showing us. Thank you for sharing that. Because that's going to be my next little situation. Yeah, that's why I fucked with this. Because that was literally the quickest brow ever. About to be the quickest little makeup and hair, and I'm not gonna do anything crazy because why? LA Girl Pro Concealer and Creamy Beige. Just making sure that I am telling you guys what I'm using. Beauty blender with the top cut off.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer. This one is Natural Tan. I'm going to use 2 pumps. And we're going to work him all over the face with the brush first. Hydrating Camo Concealer with the satin finish, and this is in the color Medium Sand. See my freshness. My hair looks a little weird. I'm setting with Air Spun Powder. I always use this to set with. guys know that.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I'm gonna contour with LA Girl Pro Face High Definition Matte Press Powder. I don't know the name of it because the bottom just completely fell out. I'm taking all of the extra powder off my face with this huge brush. Okay. I'm gonna highlight really quick with Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlight Powder, and this is in the color Mega Glow. So I'm just gonna line my waterline on the outer portion of my waterline with the Buxom Call Me Hold the Line Waterproof Eyeliner. I love this, it does not smudge. I'm gonna apply lashes. These are the lashes I'm gonna use. They are La Flare, The Secret of Beauty, easy to apply 3D lashes in the size SD21K. Love huge eyelashes. It says easy to apply. But when you do apply eyelashes, matter of fact, I'm gonna give you a quick little tutorial on how I apply my eyelashes, and I do use tweezers. Okay, so you put the glue on your eyelash first. I keep looking over here, but the camera's right here. Fight me. So I put the glue onto the strip. I sweep it on there, a thin layer, but you do want to put a thick layer on the corners, on each corner of the eyelash, and you want to blow it or let it sit there, whatever you want to do, so that the glue can get tacky. People say tacky, but let it dry for a little bit so that it can be somewhat tacky and somewhat still wet. And then when you go to apply them, please be mindful of the way you took them out of the container, because if this eyelash came off of the right side of the container, it goes on your right eye. Keep in mind. I take my tweezers and then I grab the eyelash like this. I put the tweezers between the hairs, and then I grab it and I clamp onto it, and I hold it in my tweezers. I take a mirror that I can hold, and I put the mirror down by my chin, and I look down. And then that's how you're able to see When you look down, you do not put your face down. You roll your eye down, look down, and then you place the eyelash on top. So you place the eyelash on top of your natural eyelash line. I always say to adhere the back corner first and then move to the front corner. And then press the eyelash. You just grab the hairs and press them up against your skin. This second eyelash is for the ones in the back. I'm going to literally take the eyelash out. Okay. Here it is. Here's the eyelash. And yes, it does have a tacky layer of glue on here. And I guess they use it to stick it to this. But this not gonna stick to your eye, so don't try that. I put my eyeliner on first. It's black eyeliner, and I use a black lash adhesive. You can use clear if you want to. I don't use clear. I don't know why I don't use clear. I just don't like the white over my liner, whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys. I take the glue out and I literally, like, I sweep it. I don't know if you guys can see if it's zooming in or not. Okay, I sweep the glue onto the eyelash. The band of the eyelash. The weft, is that what y'all call weave? The weft? Anyway, yeah, so I just put like a little thin amount and then I concentrate it on the end. You guys cannot see that. Okay, there we go. That's enough. You can wave it, blow it, or you can sit it down and go run an errand. Okay, so I just blow mine. So the errand that I'm gonna run while I am letting my glue dry, I'm just gonna chunk all of the makeup that I just used, which is not much, into this little makeup bag that says "Be happy." Be happy, guys. No matter your situation, no matter your circumstance, you have a choice. Okay. Just be happy. So everything into this bag. I'm gonna close it. I take the eyelash and I thread my tweezers through the lash hairs and then I grab it like, okay, so I take my mirror, look down into it, position the eyelashes over your natural lash line and line it up with your black eyeliner. That's why I use black eyeliner and black glue, because why not? So I'm looking down and I literally just lined up my eyelash line with the black glue. Okay. I'm gonna put some mascara on my bottom lashes and my natural lashes. And I'm just literally blending my real lashes into the fake ones so that you can't see a line. And then bottom lashes, yes, you want mascara on those. And if you notice, I'm not bringing the mascara all the way through those lashes because it's gonna really mess them up. Okay, see? Makes a huge difference. My hair. I love when my braids are super dusty and look like Felicia from Friday, because that is gonna give me the best braid out. It's gonna literally give me the best braid out. I'm gonna try this hairstyle that I've been wanting to try forever, like the little curly bun. Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie with Silk Protein and Neem Oil. You guys have seen this everywhere, so whatever. I'm gonna take a small little bit, like this much, because I'm gonna try to use this on the front of my hair.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.